the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today we are heading to the Redline Sorority car show, Sorority Row, down a bit south from my place here in Calgary. There should be a fairly good turnout. They came to our BMW Motor Madness 3. You guys will probably remember Justine, Yolanda, Maggie, and all the girls. So we're going to return the favor and go down and head to their show and check it out. See some familiar faces and maybe some new faces. So let's get heading down there and I'll bring you guys along. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, you will be notified and you can stay up to date with all the latest and current vlog with car shows and most specifically my BMW M3 build. So stay tuned, let's head down there and check out all the beautiful cars. We've made it here to the Sorority Row, Redline Sorority Girls car show, rolling up with the brigade. We got Wally, Hassan, Marty, Nick, Diego, and myself in the M3. Here's Still Plays with Cars. Just rolling up now. You guys remember Yolanda's car? Pretty sparkly. Maggie's V-Dub ST. Look at this. Check out this new headlight film. That's pretty sweet. Oh, here's a better shot. Yolanda, Maggie. Check out this RS5. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that is pretty friggin' sick. Check out this crazy Hellcat. Carbon wheels.
Please let me think.
Matching interior. Wow. Oh man, that's a build. Look at this. Air. That's a build. Knots. Super clean install. Wow, that's pretty sick. You want to see more of this build? Go follow him on Instagram.
Oh, when you open the doors, you can actually move the door bars on the road page.
Mr. Murphy's got his new BBS wheels on. Fitment on point. Looks really good. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. You guys have seen this before on the Momentum Cruise, as well as this with the big boost. You guys will probably remember this one too. That's pretty familiar. They were at Motor Madness show. Aaron's V-Dub. Look at all the touches underneath the hood. So clean. Super clean Evo. The BMW M4 that you guys also seen from Motor Madness. Still rocking the Brigade sticker. I'm not gonna lie, the touches in this paint are freaking awesome. That is very cool. Check out this resto mod. This is like a dream truck. Oh, nice 350, tastefully done. But these custom wheels, And the paint, what an absolutely beautiful, beautiful truck. What do you guys think? Maybe we should put a big stereo in the M3. Carson, this might hit close to home for you.